Okay, boys and girls, we did a few weeks ago, we were doing 3D shapes. I know it's kind of a review from kindergarten throughout the year of first grade, but now that we have our math workbooks at home, which is awesome, also will help your parents. I don't have to print things off. We're going to complete those chapters so I can tell your second grade teachers you 100% did these pages. So we're going to kind of review it this week. So it should go really fast for you. I just want to make sure we understand some of these vocab words we have talked about in the past before you work on your pages today. So remember, vertices are those points. So they are points. So I went and grabbed a book in Mrs. Masco's house. There's Diary of a Wimpy Kid. This is a 3D shape, isn't it? Yes, I can hold it, touch it. I know you can see a rectangle on it. That would be the 2D. That would be the flat shape. So if I trace the book, out would come a rectangle, right? But I can hold it, touch it, feel it. It has multiple surfaces on it. It is 3D, three-dimensional. Has all different sides to it, okay? Anyway, vertices are the points. So the points, when they come to a point, the edge. So let's see, there's a point here, point, and I can keep flipping around. Oh, there's another vertice, another point, and there's another one there, and another one, and another one. Those are those edges, those points, and I drew a cube here for you to also see. It could be like an ice cube, maybe it's a Lego. Those vertices are those points. So let's count the points in a cube. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 on a cube. Okay, so again, those vertices are when the lines connect. It's kind of like the corner, like a corner of a room. When they connect, those are those vertices, also known as points. So when you're looking for those this week, that's great. You can also see that on a rectangular prism, like a book, they have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flip it over. 5, 6, 7, 8. They're the same. Okay, edges. Edges are those straight line, the edge. Like if I said, oh, where's the edge of this board I've been using? Here's the edge. Okay, the straight lines that make the shapes. Okay, the edge. Or I could say, where's the edge of this book? Okay, the edges. Those are those straight lines that you're seeing on those shapes. Let's look at, here's an edge. There's an edge. Okay, here's another edge. The understanding, I think you do. And the other word you might see this week is surface. Sometimes we call a face. I drew a little smiley face, and I like to say, your face, you can touch it. It's like the flat part of the shape. If you put your hand right over your face, I know it's not totally flat, but just picture that face, the surface. See the word face in surface. Those are those flat parts. So look, here's a surface or a face. There's one face. Okay. The back would have another one. 2. Okay. Oh, what about here? There's a face. 3. Flip it over. 4. Now what about this side? 5. 6. Let's count over here. We have the top, 1, the bottom, 2, the front, 3, do the back, 4, now the sides, 5, and 6. There are 6 faces on a cube too, just like a rectangular prism. So those, again, they should be reviewed. So remember, vertices are the points. Edges, straight line, the edge, like the edge of your desk, the edge of a book, the edge of the table. And then surface, remember you see the word face right in it, are those flat things. Just like put your hand right over your face, the flat parts of those 3D shapes. But just don't forget that 3D shapes, you can hold in your hand, you can touch them, are everywhere. And just do your best you can this week. You're going to be doing, I say, little workbook and big workbook. Your mom and dad don't know what that means. So make sure you show them, oh, we always called it the little one or big one. And you can do those pages and show Mrs. Masco. Today is just going to be just a little workbook, and it should go really fast. It might look like a lot of pages, but there's only 1 or 2 questions on each page. And then tomorrow we're going to do the big workbook. And then later this week, I have that PowerPoint on there that we did a couple weeks ago because it was really good. And I heard some really good responses about it. So get that up and just try a couple slides the best you can. Okay, good luck.